Hello guys, welcome back to another car review. This is the car review, and today we are taking on this 2014 Nissan Juke, or Nissan Juke. This is said to be one of the ugliest cars of the last decade. I'll show you a full in-depth tour of this car, show you some of the features, start her up, let her run, and do a full in-depth tour. I'm at Invercargill Motors in Invercargill. I do apologise for some traffic noise, there's a lot of it around today. Without further ado, let's go on and start this car up. Stylish interior. This car is only $16,000. Let's go take a look, listen under the hood. Start her up for you guys, so you can just listen to her for the engine and exhaust. Punch you guys there. For the exhaust. Hope you can see it. Alright, while we're around here, we'll take a look at the exterior. Got a 4-cylinder turbo engine under here. Beautiful, nice and small for Nissan. Hold on, let me just get her down. Alright, start from the front, we've got a Nissan badge with a signature chrome wraparound. We've got a fog light going on here. Some more fog lights going on down here with some grills and some holes. Nice colour blending. Got a nice grill going on here. You've got your headlight sitting up right here. You've got your nice alloy rims. All doors open nice and smoothly. This car does come with the optional keyless entry. Nice curves, nice smooth lines, no dents, no nothing. That is supposed to look like that. Don't worry, it's not a dent. Check this out. Look at the nice plastic cladding going on down here. You got your fuel cap and you got your rear tail lights. This car's got a pure drive, Xtronic CVT, whatever that is. We've got one nice window wiper here, with a little bit of a spoiler integrated into the tailgate of the SUV. Very nice. Got a Juke badge. More alloy rims. Beautiful paint. Can be beautiful as can be. Look at that. Gorgeous. Who's tooting? A little bit of meeping coming here. Alright, let's take a look inside. lot of noise, I do apologise. Check out the interior. This is not leather padded, this is plastic. This car's done 65,000 Ks. Automatic windows, not on the only the driver's side. Automatic going up, just going down. Got your nice Nissan steering wheel, leather wrapped with nice grips going on here. Got your colour going on. You've got your nice chrome Nissan badge. This car is an automatic. Bloody hell, Japan. There's some cup holders here, some storage. You can store some pennies in here. Some more storage going on back here. Very cool. Got your fuel flap opening down here, as well as your hood opening. I hope I opened that. It tells me it's open, so it's good. Then you've got your center control stack with your hazards, your time. You've got your radio, climate controls. Turn the hazards on. Don't know what's so special about them, just sitting out like that. Got your storage in here. If you can see it, there you go. Go take a look at the indicators. On the door panel, you've got storage going on down here. You've got your controls for everything. Got your door handle here, nice chrome. Let's go and take a look at the hazards.
What are you doing?
Reviewing a car. Who are you?
What?
Who are you?
I'm Shane.
Okay.
What are you doing?
Reviewing a car.
Oh.
Indicator here, here, and oh, you got your fuel flap right here. Only unleaded and premium as well. Got indicator here as well. Let's go over to the passenger side. No, why would I steal a car? Why would I steal a Nissan Juke out of all these cars? I don't know who that guy was, but he wanted to ask some questions, so I did. He wasn't kind of interrupting like my other friend did, but well, what can you guys do? It's my video, it's my channel. Got your glove compartment, which houses the owner's manual. Got your power inlet here. But I did have a point. Out of all these cars here, why would you choose a Nissan Juke to steal? I mean, what's so special about Nissan Juke? Same door panel as the driver's side. Turn those off, it's driving me nuts. Start, stop, ignition, no key ignition, as you can tell, because the key fob right here. This car's been passed down from Southern Automobiles, which is just up the road, which is there. Hold on, oh, what's wrong? You see, it's a. Never mind. Alright, let's go into the back. For crying out loud, why is there so many noise? There's so much noise. On the rear door, you got your handle right here. Just pull it open, just like that, and you're in the back. Very black in here, so it'll get pretty hot, I'll assume. Alright, got your nice seats, very comfortable. No fold out things, this is just nice and flat. Got your grab handles up here as well. Oh, I forgot to show you the sun visors. You've got sun visor with the mirror probably. Dome light, which is working. Scoot into the middle, you've got a nice view of the dash. Let's go and take a look at the hatch. Jeez, it's a 57 Chevy, check that out guys. Ain't that beautiful? Oh, this is a voice crack, I was not over exaggerating. Sorry, I'm a teenager, I'm getting voice cracks. There's a bug, go away bug. Alright, let's take a look at the hatch. Got some nice storage in here, really do. Nice storage. Look at that, you got your accessories. Changing a spare tyre. Got some storage in here and here. Check that out, the seats do fold down. How do they fold down? The Nissan way, well, by pushing down on this and I guess pulling the forward, I guess. I don't know. They try to move, but that's about it. This is removable, obviously. Pretty cool. So this is a 2014 Nissan Juke. It's the only Juke in the Juke line. I think Nissan has discontinued it ever since it came out in 2013. So this is the 2014 model. I don't know if it's still going or not. It was a very ugly car, indeed. Well, it's stylish than this at least. If anything's uglier than a PT Cruiser stylish. I don't know how you reviewed this, by the way, don't request it. But yeah, we'll finish off now. Wind the windows up. Nice look at the door sills. Turn the power off, the start-stop ignition. Grab the keys. Alright. Beeps at you, of course, because that's what cars do, they love to beep. Alright. So this has been the car reviewer. We're taking a look at this beautiful Nissan Juke. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned and more to come.